Hey everyone, welcome to the Monday Marketing Minute.
KPIs, or key performance indicators, measure the success of your marketing.
But you have to know what to track first.
Knowing and tracking KPIs is essential to your marketing and sales teams.
Right, you can't know where your marketing is working without key performance indicators.
So to start, you'll ask yourself some questions like, what are your company-wide time-bound business goals? And should you be measuring progress in all parts of your marketing and sales funnels?
There are 6 questions in total on our blog that you should ask yourself to help determine KPIs for your business. Some common KPIs include sales revenue, cost per lead, or website conversion.
Yeah, and things like website conversions can be measured by channel, and that's what we really like to do in the digital marketing realm because we usually are so channel specific.
Yeah, like at Oneupweb, for example, we find it helpful to identify KPIs for the central goal, plus metrics to measure micro goals we'll achieve along the way.
Yeah, so for example, we do a lot of blogging for our clients, and the way we measure those content marketing efforts is by organic blog traffic. Another KPI we like to measure is the number of featured snippets we win in our blogging efforts.
Your paid media key performance indicators are a bit more straightforward, like return on ad spend, cost per acquisition, or click-through rate on a landing page.
And that's all the time we have for today, but there are a lot more examples of measuring channel-specific KPIs on our blog. So make sure you go and check that out.
And subscribe to our channel so we can see you at the next Monday Marketing Minute.
We'll see ya.